Hello guys, ito yung simple kong pagkain ulit. Yung isda na yun ay itong isda na to, leftover yesterday. Hello everyone! Hello beautiful people of the world! Ito po yung iyong kalutuan, La Preciosa Cuisine. At sa araw na to, ito po ang aking kakainin dahil po tayo ay naglo-low carb. So most of the time now, ay i-video po natin yung low carb journey natin. So guys, ito yung... It looks like a salad, pero actually, it will be my meal. Meron na siyang, ito ay fish. Galing po sa aking pangingisdayan, guys. Say, kung tawagin. In English, they call it pollock. May egg. Tapos, yung ating strawberries is galing sa ating garden. Ayan, guys, oh. Sinamahan ko na siya ng strawberries. At ang ating bullet coffee. Bullet. Ewan ko guys. Medyo yung dila ko ay may pagka-pilipet. Ito ay nuts with lime. Titikim lang tayo niyan. At ito lang guys, wala tayong tomato. Binudburan ko ito ng light yogurt kasi yung yogurt namin is light. At saka meron din siyang cucumber. So, yan lang guys ang kakainan ko as of now. Kung gugutumin pa ako mamaya, siguro, meron po tayong reindeer meat. So guys, maraming salamat. Yan lang ang ating vlog for today. It's about my low carb meal. It looks like a salad, pero meal ko na rin yan guys. So later on, papakita ko rin yung lulutuin ng aking mister na reindeer meat. See you later!